DYMO Rhino 5200 Review. Is this labeled beast too powerful for your workshop? Feeling trapped by your current labeling setup? Struggling with clunky machines, bad formatting, or wasting time typing the same stuff over and over again?
Yeah, we've all been there. Cables mislabeled, patch panels a mess, and your boss breathing down your neck because compliance is non-negotiable. Whether you're in facilities, electrical, or IT, you know that labeling should help your workflow, not make it worse.
But with most label makers, you're stuck doing the same slow, repetitive tasks.
There's no flow, no rhythm, just stress and frustration.
That's the daily grind, until now. Deadlines looming? Check. Burnout creeping in from yet another project delay due to labeling chaos? Double check.
And if your client asks one more time why nothing is clearly tagged, you might just scream into the barcode void. Without a fast, reliable, and standards-compliant labeling tool, you're not just wasting time, you're gambling with safety, compliance, and your rep at DYMO gets it.
Time is money, mistakes are costly, and good enough labels just won't cut it.
You're not labeling for fun, you're labeling to prevent failures, fines, and full-on disasters. Enter the DYMO Rhino 5200, your new time-saving, label-blasting hero. This beast is rugged, reliable, and crazy smart. Print ANSI/TI is 606B standard-compliant labels, shrink tubes, cable flags, and barcodes, 77% faster than the other guys.
With one-touch hotkeys, no more retyping. Just tap, print, repeat. Need 100+ industry symbols or fractions? Easy. Got complex panel layouts or fixed-length formats? Handled.
Whether you're managing assets, cables, or full facilities, this machine is a force multiplier.
It's not just a labeler, it's your field-tested secret weapon against chaos. Imagine workflows so clean they practically sparkle.
No more fumbling with old-school labelers, no more second-guessing compliance, and no more missed patches or mystery wires.
The DYMO Rhino 5200 frees your brain for actual problem-solving instead of keyboard gymnastics.
You'll boost productivity, streamline installs, and maybe, just maybe, enjoy labeling.
Hit the link to see it in action and snag your own. Trust us. Once you Rhino, you won't go back. It's time your labels worked as hard as you do. This machine is flying off shelves for a reason. Thousands of pros swear by the Rhino 5200, just check the reviews. Industrial strength. Ridiculous speed. Real results. Don't let outdated tools slow you down or trip you up. If you're ready to level up your game and crush compliance like a boss, act now. Limited stock. High demand. Zero regrets.
Hit that buy now button, secure yours today, and join the movement of techs who label smarter, not harder.
No excuses. No delays.
Just clean installs, every time.